My name is Honorable Samson Oku, Deputy Chairman, House Committee on Pension. As you are aware, the Pension Reform Act 2004 has made a basic structure for pension industry in Nigeria. And I believe, and I've always told everyone that I want to hear, is that since that time, that is one of the best things that have happened to this country in the area of pensions. And that has actually made us to see the difference between the defined benefit and the defined contribution benefit. And now spelling out that job security and savings is very important. And that again has created awareness to some people that when you are aging, you know that there's money keeping for you. Now that is different from the defined benefit, which has a lot of Nigerians, workers, have not been able to receive their pension at the end of the day, which the National Assembly as a body is working on that seriously, and you can see a lot of proof, a lot of investigation has made as to that. So I believe that 2004 Pension Reform Act is one of the best things that happened to this country. Well, you can see there is amendment to the 2004 Pension Reform Act. By the grace of God today, the House of Representatives have passed it all, waiting because we have gone for harmonization with the Senate. And now we have seen the penalty for the defaulters. We have set up a standard. Now we have, the law has been able to create what we call PETAD, which is a creation of Ministry of Finance, and we have to now put it into the bill and legalize it so that the PETAD will now handle what we call defined benefit. Now the contribution benefit, which PENCOM is as a regulatory commission is handling, you can see now that with their PFAs and pension custodians, they are working on it. Now, these are laws that are made by the National Assembly, vis-a-vis the House of Rep in particular. And now we have set up a standard again that this is an industry that is growing, that we don't need to have a year bar, that let it be open, at least for all Nigeria who is qualified within the industry to manage the industry. But for now, the Harmonization Committee of the National Assembly has come in with a 15 years experience. So with that, I believe the industry will grow better. With that, we have set up a standard, international standard practice that will carry on and make sure that with this World Summit now that is coming up, when we interact together, when there is an enlightenment, and I believe Nigeria we all know, and there will be enlightenment, and people will know the benefit of this contribution and pension industry in this country.